and you must eat all 4 donuts. They can't fall on the floor, and the messier you get, the better. And if you guys want to like make out with like donut, I'm not gonna stop you. And the first person to win is gonna get the Castle DVD and everything. All right, we're gonna do a 3, 2, 1, and it's gonna be a 3, 2, 1, go. Not a 3, 2, 1 instant, right? A little beat there, ready? 3, 2, 1, eat them donuts!
There you go.
Get that donut, girl. Give me some commentary while you're
Yum. We need water.
emergency water. It's so nauseating just watching this. It's a terrible idea. On the count of 3, everyone blow out your jelly snot rocket. 1, 2, 3, go! I got more of those cats than me, don't worry.